Configuring Aws Amplify Lambda functions is a straightforward process that enables you to build scalable and secure serverless applications. To begin, you need to have an AWS account and the Amplify CLI installed on your machine. First, you need to create a new Amplify project by running the command amplify init in your terminal. This will prompt you to choose a project name and set up your Amplify configuration. Once the project is created, you can add a Lambda function by running the command amplify add function. This will ask you to choose the function type, such as a REST API or a GraphQL API, and the runtime, such as Node.js or Python. After selecting the function type and runtime, Amplify will create a new Lambda function and add it to your project configuration. Next, you need to configure the Lambda function by modifying the code in the src folder. You can write your business logic in the index file, and Amplify will take care of deploying the function to AWS. To deploy the Lambda function, run the command amplify push. This will create the necessary AWS resources, including the Lambda function, API gateway, and IAM roles. Once the deployment is complete, you can test your Lambda function by running the command amplify invoke. Best practices for configuring AWS Amplify Lambda functions include using environment variables to store sensitive data, such as API keys and database credentials. You should also use a consistent naming convention and organize your code into separate files and folders. Additionally, you should implement error handling and logging mechanisms to monitor and debug your Lambda function. You can use AWS services such as CloudWatch and X-Ray to monitor your function's performance and troubleshoot issues. In conclusion, configuring AWS Amplify Lambda functions is a simple and efficient process that enables you to build scalable and secure serverless applications. By following these steps and best practices, you can create and deploy Lambda functions quickly and easily, and focus on writing business logic instead of managing infrastructure.